Rightio fishermen, here we are. We're just on the outside edge of the rip at Hamarana. The fish have finally decided to turn up. It's now the 21st of February, January. Yeah, 21st of January. So it'll be nice to catch a fish. So come along and have a nosy. Rightio fishermen, we've abandoned the spinning rod because it wasn't getting anything. We've changed over to a fly with a silicon smelt, and Bob's your uncle. We got a fish on. First time I had a fish on in 3 weeks. The weather's been playing havoc on at the Rotorua stream mouths. The fish haven't really come in this year. Went down Awahu the other day. They're very quiet. But it's nice to have a fish on. So the trout's broken, and we're just trying out this new rod. It's an Airflow Bandit saltwater rod. I think it was Cliffy down there who sold it to me. But doesn't matter, we got a fish on now, and that's all we're interested in. It's only a little one, but these little ones are like little bullets. Had to buy a new net too. So we'll christen the net with the fish and the rod. They're lively little fella. These little ones usually are. Like little silver bullets. Come on. Come to Papa. Didn't want to give up. He's in a no give up mode. Once they get in that cold water, it gives them heaps of energy. Alrighty. We got a fish. Lovely fat little thing too. Get it up, have a look at it. Oh, look at that. Lovely little stunner. It's been eating snails. See how its date's hanging out? Been feeding on the snails. But, hey. Let him go. Great little fish, 2.5 pounds. Gone.